bought it again, but I was like, girl, you got that at home. It might not be as wide as the other one, but I can still make it work. Let me see how wide it is. Okay, that's good. That's still good. That's a good size. I'm just gonna sew up the rest of my fabric before I go and purchase more. Because again, like I said, sewing and buying fabric is two different hobbies. I don't know what else to do. Moving right along. But yeah, I don't, at this point, I don't feel like I have to do that because she already know what it is, but she ain't crazy enough to do it herself, so she got to get somebody else to do it. So that's just what it is. She knows she'll get that work. She know exactly who. She she know what's up. But I don't even live like that no more. And the thing is, some people, they want to try to bring you down into that space that you ain't there no more. And honestly, I never had a problem with her. She was never that important to me. Yeah, the one that she sent over there was a follower. She sent her over there because not only that, I know how the mindset of those people that work there, because like I said, I worked there for a long time. And you got the cashiers, and then you got the customer service managers. They call them CSMs. So they're like working the front. So the other girl that I'm talking about, basically I think she's a CSM at this point. But I already know the dynamic. If you get that vest to become a CSM, that means you a super snitch. Yes, I knew the game. I was there. So shit, you thought Wiley got banned? Hell, I wasn't worried about the other one. I wanted the other one to come here, and I don't even have no problem with her. But she'll never do that, cause that's how scary them Hampton chicks are. See, I'm from Bad News. We don't play like that. We just go ahead and do it. We don't ask no questions. See, they sneaky. They like to be real sneaky with the stuff that no, we don't need child. But I don't live like that no more. And that's the thing, like, she know that I ain't bother nobody. And all of that is because you probably mad I don't speak. You don't speak to me. So I don't speak to you. I ain't stealing. I'm in here buying my stuff and going on out the stuff. That's how stupid and small-minded some people are, and they get stuck in those cycles, and they be there for a long time. A long time. That's something I could never see myself doing. I mean, I see people that's like 60 years old still in there snitching on each other. I say, y'all is crazy. And the moment they don't need you there no more, guess what? You gone. That's how it goes. If she keep on playing with me, she gonna be in the unemployment line. So she might want to tighten up so she can feed her 3 babies, because her baby daddy, I'm pretty sure he still ain't about nothing. I don't play with slow people. And I ain't been in high school in many years, so I don't even know how to play like that. I didn't even really play when I was in high school. That's the crazy thing. I never did. I think it's an absolutely sad and pitiful existence to want the attention of another woman, and you are a damn woman. That's so weird to me. You know the funny thing, what I would notice when I did speak to her, it wasn't genuine. And I was like, you know what? All these fake highs gonna run out. And I'm just gonna walk in here and mind my business. And that's what I did. Stick to the business that pay me and what had me going in there. Closing my circle off. Me too. I just it was just a lot of childish and everybody was messing with everybody and it was just a mess. Especially them athletes. Oh my god. So that was never, my thing. I had a crowd, like not a crowd, but I had friends that were, I guess you could say, I had a lot of smart friends. I had a lot of nerdy friends. Most of my, and then it was a combination. It was of nationalities. You know what I'm saying? So everybody was, we kicked it, and everybody pretty much did well. They hell, it might have been at least one of them in there that hit a straight 4.0 or so. And everybody just, we all sat together, but we weren't on no cliquish. It was more so like, okay, we were cool. We all, whatever. It wasn't like that. So I just never, and the crazy thing is, me being who I am, I will generally continue to speak to a person. I don't care about things happen, life go on, friendships die off, people that you thought were your friends. You know the rest. And I'm okay with that. Because I told the person to their face. After I hadn't seen them in 5 years and then they want to talk to me like, I was like, oh no, we ain't friends no more. Like, I don't, shit, call me Miss, you know, call me Miss. And I told her my last name. Don't call me by my first name. People that know me can do that. You ain't seen me in 5 years. I'm a whole different version of myself. So, sometimes people get mad because they can't meet you where they thought they left you. Catch it. Oh boy, I be laughing. I be cutting up some days. I tell you, I be cutting up. And the sad part is the reality is that's who they were the whole time. But like I said, I'm not in the lower version of myself, so I don't have any more expectations of those people. I expect people to do what people do. But the only difference is I created a boundary because you can't do that in my life. That's the only thing I did. That's the only thing I did. You can be who you want to be. You just can't be that over here. And life keep on life. That's all. Playing in my face. I just be laughing. I promise you. The truth in the matter is, it's some people that just try to figure out what it is that you did different than them. And sometimes it's just confusing and perplexing that you made it out of certain situations that people have never learned how to do. Say, for instance, I've been around females that's never had their own apartment, their own cars, and things of that nature. So, with that being said, sometimes some people just live in a different level of fear. I always took a lot of chances. And I probably will continue to always do that. And those weren't the people that I wanted to continue to be around. Because the moment I take a step further or I elevate to another level, those are the remember wins. the remember wins. And so, yeah, they run their course. And one thing I also, um, I'm a firm believer of things my mom won't gonna do. And I know I had to save my money to get the shoes I wanted and all that. Hey, Reba. Hey, at my cousin's house, just dropped by to say what's up. I'll catch you later. Okay, that's what's up. And glamour of two. Oh, let's go, girl. But yeah, I just had to, and I remember like, okay, so the babysitting thing, and then like 15, I went and got a job at Busch Gardens, and surprisingly, I was able to get a ride there because I mean I made pretty good money. So my mom, I think she take me there, or was it somebody else? I'm not sure. But after I was old enough to drive and stuff, oh it was up. Man, I went and got me a job at Burger King. I was already a parent. I paid for that behind the wheel and all that. Got my little Burger King check. I sure did.